Have you ever wondered what sets clams and oysters apart? Today, we're exploring the differences between these two popular shellfish, from shell shapes to ecological roles and everything in between. Let's start with the basics. Clams and oysters are both bivalve mollusks, but their shells tell a unique story. Clams typically have rounded, symmetrical shells, while oysters boast irregular, often rougher shells. This difference isn't just cosmetic. It reflects their distinct lifestyles and habitats. Speaking of habitats, clams are often found buried within sandy or muddy bottoms, playing a crucial role in stabilizing these environments. Oysters, on the other hand, thrive in saltwater bays and estuaries, forming dense reefs that provide shelter and food for a myriad of marine species. But what about their impact on the environment? Both clams and oysters are effective natural water filters. A single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day, improving water clarity and quality, which benefits the entire ecosystem. Nutritionally, both clams and oysters are seafood powerhouses rich in vitamins and minerals. Clams are an excellent source of vitamin B12 and iron, while oysters pack a hefty dose of zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for overall health and well-being. However, their populations face significant threats from human activities, including overfishing and habitat destruction. Ocean acidification, driven by increased carbon dioxide levels, also poses a major challenge, affecting their ability to maintain strong shells. While clams and oysters share some similarities, their differences in physical traits, habitats, and roles in the ecosystem are profound. Understanding these distinctions enriches our appreciation of nature and underscores the importance of protecting these vital marine organisms. Remember, every shell counts in maintaining the health and balance of our ocean ecosystems. Interested in learning more about marine life and how you can help protect it? Stay tuned for more insightful content and share this video to spread the word about the incredible world beneath the waves.